Hi, I'm Yel Carlo El Cabildo. I'm 21 years old. I recently graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management at University of the East Manila, Philippines. I have successfully finished my 420 hours of training at Makati Prime Tower Suite in Makati City, Philippines. I work hard for my training and I've got a grade of 95% in my practicum. During my training, I was assigned in housekeeping and food and beverages department. I have the ability to work with the team as well as cross-team. I am hardworking and motivated person who believes that I can do something for the benefit of my family and my company. I always maintain a gracious and professional manner when communicating with people, including guests and staff. And I am ready to undergo training in your company and willing to obey all the rules and regulations that you have. When I was studying in college, I was able to avail an scholarship program of the Philippine Veterans Affairs Office, and it was my great opportunity in my entire life. I hope my education and experience are fit to your requirements. Thank you very much, Sir, Ma'am, for your time and effort that you had given to me. And I hope I will be one of your trainees soon. Thank you again, and may the Lord Almighty God bless you always.